All right, here we go. We're going to go ahead and do draft your card. 3 boxes of 2020 Leaf Pop Century. Leaf Metal Pop Century. All right, good luck. This is draft order. We're going to go 7 times. 7 times on the randomizer. We got the King, Fab 2316, and Pierre. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last final time is 7. Fab, Pierre, and the King. All right, that is draft order. Let's go ahead and rip these boxes. Good luck, Fab. And then after this, maybe we'll try to fill some basketball. All right. Oh, we have Tony Basil, blue, Pop Century Signatures. That is numbered 7 out of 25. All right. Next up, we got Kate Jackson, Purple Ice. That is numbered 1 out of 7. 1 out of 7. And we got Quad Relic, Benicio del Toro, Bradley Cooper, Brad Pitt, and Matthew McConaughey. 17 out of 25. And last one is Charlie Sheen, green. Charlie Sheen is 2 out of 7. I don't even know if he's still popular anymore. Alright, good luck next box. Alright, and we got Clive Barker, blue. That is 10 out of 25. And we got Jerry Mathers, the Beaver. Classic rolls. Purple Ice is number 3 out of 7. We got 1980. Dustin Hoffman, 25 out of 25. He's been in a bunch of stuff. And dual autograph is Cheech and Chong. Co-stars dual autograph. That is 2 out of 35. Alright, one more box. Who, Brad? Charlie Sheen. He's probably blacked out somewhere. And we got Heartbreakers, Michelle Johnson. That is 2 out of 10. Michelle Johnson autograph. Next up, we got Marion Ross. Why does her name sound familiar? That is 4 out of 12. And we got Linda Blair, Red Ice. That is number 2 out of 2. And last one is Alicia Silverstone. Autograph number 3 out of 5. This is just a regular silver. Is she SP or something? All right. That is it, guys. We'll proceed to the draft. Thanks again, everyone, for hopping in. Here we go.